This 100% free tool has a few buttons that need to be clicked. To earn between $50 and $60, you must first click the play button, wait a little period of time, and then hit the download button. This is brand new, never before published research. This tactic is available to all nations in the world. You only need a computer, laptop, or smartphone for this. Keep watching since it is free, easy, and only takes a few minutes to click a few buttons. Watch the video right away. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel. The first program I'll show you that allows you to easily make money online by pressing a few buttons is completely free. Amazon.com offers a wide selection of audiobooks, and customers keep buying them every day. You don't have to write any ebooks, perform any graphic design work, or publish any books in order to do this. Permit me to now offer a fascinating new development with the Amazon business on acx.com. They help you convert your book into an audiobook on this website, and then it is made available on Audible, Amazon, and iTunes, among other places. All audiobooks will be published on these websites. In this video, we'll play the storyteller instead of really authoring any ebooks. To get started, sign up for a free ACX profile. Reading books while making money is possible. You have the choice of obtaining payment after submitting your audio sample to acx.com via bank transfer, PayPal Money, or a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Payoneer, Paytm, or Skrill. You can pick between two different payment methods, hourly pay or a split of 50% of the royalties. If you are paid per completed hour, you will be compensated for each minute the script is read. The second method is that you might start getting 50% of the royalties from each sale of an audiobook when your books are published, say on Amazon. You will receive 50% of the sale price each time someone purchases any of the ebooks you have read, whether that occurs in a week, a month, a year, or 10 years from now. But first, you need to get through an audition. You must pick one of these ebooks in order to send them an audition sample. As soon as they accept you, you can start working and getting paid every day. If you apply this unique method, you can bypass each of these phases. I want you to go to ttsreader.com, where you can copy the entire script and paste it while choosing the voice of your choice. Let's say you choose to employ this voice. Simply hit copy and enter the script here when you return to the free tool. TTS Reader will automatically read the script for you in a voice that sounds natural using AI technology and a robot. When you're happy with the audio, just click the download option to save it to your device. You can do that and upload the entire audio sample to acx.com to be accepted. The second free resource I'd like to highlight is naturalreaders.com. You can paste any text into this box and choose any voice when you get to the website, where there are a ton of options. Again, all you have to do to hear a preview is paste the entire script into this box and hit play. Simply click this button to download the voice you've chosen, choose to submit it, and it will be accepted. And that's it. Please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more updates.